So over here, you can see that I have a table. And let's say what I want to do is by using SQL query, I want to delete out the field certification and validation. So if you want to do that, you can go around and click on the create button right here, click on query design. And once you do that, you need to click on SQL to start typing in SQL query right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in alter right here and type in table. So alter table is what I have, the command that I need to use. And then over here, I need to type in the table name. So I'm just going to go around and type in prices right here and press enter. So once I do that, what I need to do is I want to drop out a column. So I'm just going to go around and type in drop right here. So once I do that, what happens is that I need to go around and type in the name of the column that I want to drop. So I'm going to go around and type in certification right here. So once I do that, let me just go around over here, certification, and then add in a semicolon right here. So once I do that, what happens is that I can go around and click run, and it says the table is being run. So you need to close the table until you can run this. So hit run. And what happens is that this particular field will be dropped out. So if I were to go to prices, you can see that it has been dropped out. Let me just close this. And now I'm going to go around and drop in the validation column as well. So I'm going to say validation just like this. And once I do that, I can go around into query design and hit run. And now if I were to open up the prices, you can see that it has been dropped out, meaning it has been deleted out as well. And that is how you can use the drop column option in the option while you're actually typing in SQL query inside of MS Access. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.